Imagine you're on a treasure hunt, searching for the elusive Beam coin. You've heard rumors, whispers, and tales of its potential. But where to find it? One place that often pops up in discussions is Bybit. So, today, we're diving deep into the question, is Beam on Bybit? Let's be honest, the cryptocurrency market is a wild roller coaster. New coins emerge daily, and old ones can vanish just as quickly. So, is Beam one of those coins that you can find on Bybit? Let's find out. Before we dive into Bybit, let's quickly recap what Beam is. It's a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that uses Mimblewimble technology. This means it's designed to protect user privacy by obscuring transaction details. So, if you're concerned about your financial privacy, Beam might be intriguing. Exploring Bybit. Now, let's talk about Bybit. It's a popular cryptocurrency exchange known for its wide range of trading options and features. But does it have Beam? Well, let's do some digging. Checking Bybit's listings. The first thing we'll do is visit Bybit's official website and check their list of supported cryptocurrencies. We can usually find this information under a markets or trading section. So, let's take a look. After searching through the list, we can see that. Insert actual findings here. If Beam is listed, provide screenshots or evidence to support it. If not, explain why it might not be listed. Potential reasons for absence, if applicable. If Beam isn't listed, there could be a few reasons. Low trading volume, Bybit might prioritize listing coins with higher trading volumes. Technical challenges, there might be technical difficulties or compatibility issues between Beam and Bybit's platform. Regulatory concerns, in some cases, regulatory restrictions could prevent certain coins from being listed on specific exchanges. Alternatives and future prospects. Even if Beam isn't currently on Bybit, don't worry. There are other reputable exchanges where you might find it. You can check platforms like KuCoin, Gate.io, or Huobi. Additionally, it's always worth keeping an eye on Bybit's announcements and updates. They might add Beam to their platform in the future, especially if there's significant demand from their users. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving. What's true today might not be true tomorrow. So, it's always a good idea to stay updated on the latest news and developments. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Beam or exploring other cryptocurrency options, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We'll keep you updated on the latest trends and developments in the crypto world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.